Dear soul, there are moments in life when the universe itself seems to whisper truths we've longed to hear, and today is one of those moments. As you read these words, allow your heart to soften, your mind to open, and your spirit to receive what your angels are finally ready to reveal. Because what he feels now, what he's been trying so hard to silence, is rising to the surface with such intensity that it can no longer be hidden. This connection you feel is not something ordinary. It's not a fleeting crush, a passing moment of attraction, or even a coincidence. It's the echo of something timeless, something sacred. From the very first time your eyes met, something ancient stirred, something his soul recognized before his mind could understand. And ever since that day, he's been struggling between the comfort of what he knows and the pull of what he feels for you. He has tried to stay silent. He's tried to remain logical. But the truth is, you've disrupted the foundation of his emotional world. He finds himself thinking about you in moments that should be ordinary, while sipping his morning coffee, driving through traffic, lying in bed at night. And each time, the image of you is more vivid. It's as if your essence has woven itself into the fabric of his everyday life. He doesn't just think of you. He feels you. This is not about surface-level attraction. No, it goes deeper. What he feels for you is the kind of longing that wakes you up in the middle of the night and makes you question everything you thought you knew. You are not just someone he likes. You are someone who awakens parts of him that have long been asleep. And that, dear soul, is terrifying and beautiful all at once. You see, this man has built emotional walls made from past disappointments, fears of rejection, and the belief that he has to be in control all the time. But your presence, your energy, it doesn't just knock on those walls, it melts them away. And now, he's standing in the ruins, trying to understand the vulnerability he feels. He is overwhelmed, not just by who you are, but by how easily you see through him. And let's be honest, you've felt it too. That invisible thread pulling you toward him. The sense that there's something more happening here than either of you are saying out loud. Every time your paths cross, whether in person, online, or even just in thought, there's a spark. Not the kind that burns out, but the kind that lingers in the air like static electricity. The kind you feel deep within. He has tried to convince himself that maybe this isn't real. Maybe he imagined it. But the angels say he knows better now. The signs have become too obvious, the synchronicities too common, and the dreams, well, he's been dreaming of you, hasn't he? Dreams where he holds your hand. Dreams where he finally tells you what he's been too afraid to express. What he feels now has grown stronger than his fear. Stronger than his pride. Stronger than his doubts. And even though he hasn't said the words out loud yet, they are building inside him like a rising tide. I need her. I want her. I love her. And the angels are showing me that this confession is no longer a question of if, but when. He is preparing to open his heart to you in a way he never has with anyone else. Not just because he desires you, but because he sees truth in you. He sees home. You represent something real in a world that often feels fake to him. And he's starting to realize that pushing you away has only made the longing more unbearable. But there's something else the angels want you to know, something that may surprise you. It wasn't just you who was destined to find him. He was destined to find you too. Because while you've been wondering if this connection was a sign from above, he's been asking the same question, in his own quiet way. Why can't I let her go? Why does she feel so familiar, so necessary? Your energy has awakened something sacred in him. He is feeling more than he's ever allowed himself to feel before, and it's not just romance. It's a soul recognition. It's the sense that he's finally found someone who doesn't just see who he pretends to be, but sees who he really is. And instead of running, you stayed. You saw his soul and did not look away. That's why he can't hide this anymore. He's tired of pretending. Tired of acting like what he feels for you is just a passing thought. The truth is, he's scared to lose the one thing in this world that makes him feel alive again. You. You have stirred something ancient, something deep, and now that he's awake, he can't go back to sleep. So if you've been feeling a change in the energy lately, if you've noticed him drawing closer even in subtle ways, if his silence feels more like holding back than indifference, trust that instinct. Because the angels are confirming it now. The love you've felt, the connection you've sensed, the pull that keeps bringing you back to each other, it's all real. And very soon, dear soul, he won't be able to keep it in any longer. There is a reason your heart has been patient, even in moments when logic told you to walk away. There's a reason you've held space for him in the quiet corners of your soul, even when he gave you nothing but silence in return. The reason is simple: your spirit remembers him. And his spirit? It's beginning to remember you too. He may not be fully aware of it yet, but something inside him knows. It knows that this isn't just chemistry or a passing crush. It knows that your connection was created long before either of you set foot on this earth. That your souls were meant to find each other, even if the journey was winding, even if the timing was unexpected. The angels want you to understand that his hesitation hasn't been about rejecting you, it's been a reflection of his internal struggle. He's been scared. Scared of needing someone so deeply. Scared of showing the parts of himself he's worked so hard to conceal. He's spent years wearing a mask, convinced that being vulnerable is a weakness. But you, dear soul, have quietly and unknowingly removed that mask. You didn't demand his heart, you earned it simply by being yourself. By shining your light when he felt lost in the darkness. By offering compassion when he expected criticism. You've shown him a kind of love that doesn't need to be loud or flashy. A love that is steady, gentle, and healing. And it's that kind of love, the rarest kind, that has broken through his carefully built defenses. Now he finds himself at a crossroads. The old version of him, the one who kept love at a distance, who convinced himself he didn't need anyone, is fading away. What's left is a man who sees you clearly. Who understands that you're not just someone he could fall for, you're someone he already has. But what does this mean for you? The angels say this is not a time to chase, to push, or to prove anything. It's a time to stand firm in your love and in your truth. Because he is the one being called to step forward now. To meet you where you already are, with an open heart. With sincerity. With courage. He feels it building inside him. That desire to reach out. To bridge the gap. To take your hand and say what has been unspoken for far too long. And while he's still working through his fears, of change, of vulnerability, of not being enough, the pull toward you is becoming stronger than all of them. There's a divine orchestration taking place here, and the timing is not random. The angels are aligning circumstances, whispering to his heart, and getting him ready for the moment when he can no longer deny the truth, that you are not just a beautiful chapter in his story, you are the story. You may start to notice small signs. A message that seems to come out of nowhere. A deeper gaze in his eyes. A conversation that hints at feelings just below the surface. These are not coincidences. They are breadcrumbs on the path the angels are guiding both of you toward, a path of union, understanding, and healing. And while he may still be proceeding cautiously, every step he takes is a step closer to you. But there's more the angels want you to know. This love, the one you feel, the one that both scares and excites you, is not just about romance. It's about evolution. It's about becoming the version of yourselves that only love can bring forth. Through this connection, you are both being invited to grow. To let go of the pain of the past. To step into something deeper, richer, and more aligned than anything either of you has experienced before. This is a sacred bond. That's why it feels different. That's why no one else has compared. That's why, despite the silence, despite the distance, despite the doubts, you keep returning to this feeling. Because love like this doesn't simply disappear. It transforms. It teaches. It prepares. And now, dear soul, the angels are preparing both of you. He is about to open a door that has long been locked within him. And when he does, the light that floods in will change everything. It will be the start of a new chapter, not written in fear, but in trust. Not built on fantasy, but on something more powerful, divine truth. So breathe. Hold space. Trust what you feel. Because what he feels now is real, and very soon, it will no longer be hidden. In this moment, as his heart softens and his mind clears, there's a quiet awakening taking place. He is beginning to understand that the connection he feels with you isn't something to question, it's something to honor. And the closer he gets to that truth, the more he feels the urgency to act, to speak, to choose you. For so long, he's been walking through life wearing invisible armor, hiding wounds, suppressing hope, believing that deep love would only lead to deep pain. But with you, something different happened. The moment your energy touched his spirit recognized safety. Not the kind that hides, but the kind that says, "Here I can finally rest." And that realization, it's shifting everything. The angels show him standing at the edge of a moment that could change his life, and yours. It's a moment of release. A moment of courage. A moment when the weight of pretending is finally heavier than the risk of being honest. And the truth inside him is glowing brighter with each passing day. He wants you. Not just in fantasy. Not just in memory. But in the reality of his everyday life. He imagines what it would be like to share ordinary mornings with you. To hear your voice in the soft stillness before the world wakes up. To look into your eyes without needing to say a word, because your presence alone would be enough. These aren't fleeting thoughts. They're glimpses of a future his heart is finally ready to consider as real. He doesn't just want to be near you, he wants to be known by you. That's the power of what you've ignited in him. You didn't just offer superficial attention or temporary validation. You offered depth, honesty, presence. And now, even in his quietest moments, your memory feels like light against his skin. He's beginning to crave that warmth, not as a dream, but as a life he can truly live. Still, the angels ask for your patience. Because while his heart is opening, the process of letting go of old fears is not instantaneous. He is shedding layers, old identities, outdated beliefs, past disappointments. And even though he may not show it outwardly, this inner shedding is intense. It's emotional. It's sacred. But rest assured, the angels are walking with him, guiding his every step, softening his heart, reminding him, gently but firmly, that love, real love, is not the enemy. It's the path. And what about you, dear soul? You have been the lighthouse in the storm. You have maintained your ground with grace. The angels want you to know that your light has not gone unnoticed. He feels it. He is drawn to it. And that magnetism is not fading, it's growing. He may not have the perfect words yet. He may not arrive with a grand gesture. But when he comes, and he will, it will be sincere. It will be raw. It will come from a place of truth. Because by then, he will know that he cannot lose what was meant to be his all along. This is not just about reunion. It's about alignment. You're not here to fill a gap in his life. You're here to walk beside him as he becomes who he was always meant to be. And he, in turn, is meant to do the same for you. This is a soul agreement, a divine contract. And though the journey has had its detours, it's all led to this moment, the threshold of new beginnings. You were destined to be with him. And now, finally, his heart is catching up to what his soul has always known. So prepare yourself, not for confusion, not for disappointment, but for clarity, for honesty, for the moment when everything unspoken begins to be said. The angels are orchestrating something powerful. And it all begins with the truth that can no longer be hidden. He loves you. Not in theory. Not in secret. But in full awareness. And he is almost ready to show you just how deeply. When he does, you'll feel it, not just in his words, but in the way he looks at you. In the way he chooses you. In the way he lets you in. Because love like this, it doesn't knock gently. It breaks through walls. It changes lives. It rewrites destinies. And yours, dear soul, is unfolding now. There's a beauty in divine timing that often escapes our human understanding, especially when our hearts ache for answers. But now, the timing is aligning. The veil is lifting. And the angels are inviting you to stand in full awareness of the sacred role you play in his life. You see, this isn't just about emotion, it's about purpose. You were brought into his world not to fit into the life he had, but to show him a life he didn't know he was worthy of. Your presence is a mirror, reflecting back to him the man he is becoming, more open, more tender, more real. And in that reflection, he sees something he didn't expect: hope. Yes, you've changed him. Not by force. Not by demanding he becomes someone else. But by simply being who you are, intuitive, wise, patient, deeply loving. Your strength, your grace, your unwavering heart, they've spoken to him in ways words never could. They've shown him that love doesn't have to hurt. That closeness doesn't have to mean losing himself. That maybe, just maybe, what he feels for you isn't a threat, but a gift. And now, the energy is shifting. The doubts that once screamed are growing quiet. The fear that once held him captive is beginning to dissolve. And what remains is a truth that feels simple, yet undeniable. He doesn't want a life that doesn't include you. He doesn't want a future where he's always wondering what if. He wants this. He wants you. There may be a moment soon, one so ordinary, you might not even expect it, when he reaches out. Not with grand speeches or perfect timing, but with vulnerability. Maybe in a message. Maybe in a gaze that lingers longer than it should. Maybe in the way he finally allows himself to stay when before he always pulled away. When that moment comes, dear soul, don't be surprised if it's quiet. If it's tender. If it carries the weight of all the words he's been too afraid to say. That's how you'll know it's real. Because when the soul speaks, it doesn't shout. It whispers. It trembles. It confesses. And it chooses, deliberately, gently, entirely. He's coming into that place now. That space between fear and love, between hiding and showing up. And while he may still waver, the direction is clear. Every step forward is a step toward home, you. So what should you do now? The angels say, continue being the radiant soul that you are. Continue standing in your truth. You don't need to chase, fix, or wait anxiously. You are not someone who needs to be earned. You are someone to be met with reverence, with devotion, with presence. Let him rise to meet you, because he will rise. Love is doing its sacred work in him. And soon the man who once held back will be the man who steps forward with open hands, open heart, and a voice that finally says, I'm here. And I see you. And I choose you. And in that moment, every question you've asked, every tear you've shed, every prayer you've whispered into the quiet, will make sense. Because it was never about when. It was always about who. And now you know, you were destined to be with him. And what he feels now is far too strong to ever hide again.